What's up, guys? This is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. And if yours has freaked out all of a sudden, showing all kinds of lights, notice all these stability lights, ABS lights, traction control lights, just strange lights have totally flipped out all of a sudden, it is likely a speed sensor, which means you need to change the hub. And as far as which hub, that may be a little trickier. I mean, honestly, if yours is an older vehicle, you probably should replace them all and just be done with it. But you may want to take your car to a shop and have them test exactly which hub is at fault. But yeah, if you see this one right here, look at all these lights that are on. And the engine is running, mind you, if you notice. So if yours has all kinds of strange traction control and stability control lighting going on, it is probably a speed sensor. Check it out. And look at our channel. We got hundreds of other videos on our channel relating to cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, golf carts, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out. And if our video saved your life or saved you a bunch of frustration or money, make sure you click the thanks button under the video screen. And please send us a donation. We really appreciate it, because doing helpful videos is priceless. You'll have a great day.